Now it's time for Gardening and Landscaping Tip of the Week with Precure Nursery and Garden Center.
It's fall at Precure Nursery, and we want to give you some tips to help you with your plants get through the fall and winter this year. You want to be sure and put down a slow-release fertilizer. This will help your plants be less susceptible to insects and diseases in our harsh winter conditions. You want to be sure and adequately water your plants as well. A lot of the cold weather will strip a lot of the moisture out of your plants, especially your evergreens. Put down about 2 to 4 inches of mulch. Again, this will help with retaining moisture for your plants. If you've got a lawn, then you want to be sure and remove any leaves from your lawn. If you've got any questions, then please feel free to stop by our garden center and ask anyone, they can help you.
Hi, I'm Dan with Precure Nursery and Garden Center. We are proud to be the garden expert for KFOR-TV. For more information, go to KFOR.com/Precure.